Hey y'all, if you love a good hair switch up without the commitment, you're going to want to see this. I just tried the CurlsQueen Water Kinky Coily Clip-In extensions in 20 inches and baby, these curls are giving natural, effortless, and volume for days. So let's talk details. These clip-ins are for my 4A, 4B hair queens. So if you have that kinky coily texture, this is for you. I got the 20-inch set. And at $315.80, yeah, it's an investment, but hear me out. This is real human hair that you can reuse, and trust me, you'll want to. Now, before we get into installing, I always wash and condition my clip-ins first, because let's be real, you don't know where they've been, and a good wash brings the curls to life. I used a random Suave conditioner and shampoo, and after conditioning, the curls were even softer and more defined. Now let's talk prep, because your braid down matters. I did a few quick cornrows straight back and left one flat twist in the front for my leave out. And let me be honest, I had to redo this a few times. Either I left too much leave out or not enough. We've all been there. My advice, section off your leave out first based on your preference, then do your cornrows. It makes clipping the extensions in way easier and keeps them secure because we don't need any surprises, right? The installation, too easy. No sewing, no glue, just clip, snap, and go. The braid down helps to keep them secure so you can flip your hair without fear. And if you can clip in a barrette, you got this. Now I love a half up, half down style, and these clip-ins perfect for it. First, I took up my leave out and applied gel to slick it down because blending is key. Then I start the half up style by putting all my hair together as well as some of the clip-ins into a ponytail holder. Then to make sure everything looked flawless, I separated my natural hair from the clip-ins and wrapped my own hair around the base of the ponytail holder. This helps blend my blown out texture with the clip-ins seamlessly. But I didn't stop there. I also took a piece of the clip-in texture and wrapped it around my natural hair for an even more natural finish. Now you can't tell where my hair stops and when the extensions begin. Once I had the ponytail set, I added some hairspray, a little bit more gel, and then I just put on a satin scarf, which I held on for, I want to say about 30 minutes to an hour. While my hair was setting, I went in to cut some soft layers into the clip-ins. This step is so important because it helps frame your face and makes the style look way more natural. I focused on the front sections first, then lightly layered the back to create more movement. And trust me, this small step really makes a huge difference. Once I have my layers in place, I went in with mousse to really define the curls because I love a juicy hydrated curl. And can we talk about this cute little brush that comes with the hair? It made defining the curls so easy without frizzing them up. And if you want extra definition and hold, mousse and this brush are a winning combo. The final step, volume baby. I went in with a hair pick to fluff out the curls, making sure everything looked big, bouncy, and full. Not only does this give me more volume, but it also ensures that no one is seeing those tracks. Unclockable. The key to making clip-ins look natural is blending and fluffing, and we did that. For my second look, I went with a sleek middle part giving grown and sexy vibes. Parted my hair down the middle and braided it straight back to create a flat base. After clipping in the extensions close to the part, I used my crochet tool to take some of the clip-in hair and crochet it over the wefts to hide them, making sure that everything looked like it was growing right out of my scalp. This little trick is a game changer for making your clip-ins blend seamlessly. Is this hack giving straight scalp? Absolutely. Is it giving versatile? Absolutely. But you guys know I gotta be honest with you. This style can be hard in your hairline, so I wouldn't recommend wearing it long term. I did wear mine for about 2 weeks, and even though I was careful, the takedown process was pretty tricky. Since the hair is curly, the clip-ins do run the risk of getting tangled in with your natural hair. So once I realized that it wasn't as easy for me to take it down, I was not even thinking about getting my camera out to film it. My advice though, just exercise caution during the takedown, or just wear this hair for a shorter period to protect your edges. But other than that, these clip-ins are a great way to switch up your look without the commitment of taking a long time to install. All right, so you guys have seen both styles, the half up, half down, and also the one with the middle part. And it was really fun switching up my look with these CurlsQueen clip-in extensions. So tell me, which style would you rock? Drop a comment below and let me know if your team half up, half down, or if the middle part is calling your name. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.